Hi guys. Welcome to the official channel of the advanced tech world. In this video we are going to explore Airbus zero-emission aircraft which may change the future of aviation industries. And it can happen that this technology may revolutionize the green sector. As per officials, recently Airbus released a proposal for a series of zero-emission aircraft. These could set Airbus apart as a leading manufacturer in this arena. But there is still much work to be done. Airbus has since revealed more about its plans, its commitment to hydrogen and its timetable for development. This video takes a look at what we know so far. Airbus has ambitious plans for 3 new aircraft that could fly with net zero emissions. These plans were released in September 2020, fittingly to mark Zero Emissions Day. Airbus aims to have the first of these aircraft in service by 2035. It has proposed 3 aircraft concepts, each based on a hydrogen fuel source. These are named as Zero-E. Alongside aircraft and engine design and technology, Airbus is embarking on a much wider project to make the concept of hydrogen power and zero emissions economically viable. Airbus Chief Executive Guillaume Faury explained Airbus's ambition in a statement at the time of the launch. He said, "This is a historic moment for the commercial aviation sector as a whole, and we intend to play a leading role in the most important transition this industry has ever seen. The concepts we unveil today offer the world a glimpse of our ambition to drive a bold vision for the future of zero-emission flight. I strongly believe that the use of hydrogen, both in synthetic fuels and as a primary power source for commercial aircraft, has the potential to significantly reduce aviation's climate impact." Let's see the 3 aircraft designs. 3 different aircraft designs have been proposed. The first 2 of these look very much like existing narrow-body aircraft, but the design would be altered to accommodate additional storage for hydrogen. The third is a new design optimized for hydrogen use. Number 1. Regional turboprop. The first concept of Airbus is a smaller regional aircraft with a capacity of 100 passengers. This will offer a range of just 1,000 nautical miles with modified gas turbine engines. Number 2. Turbofan narrow body. The second concept, that is larger concept, is for a 122-200 capacity aircraft with a range of up to 2,000 nautical miles. This would use a modified turbofan jet engine. Additional hydrogen fuel would be stored at the rear of the fuselage, behind the rear bulkhead. Number 3. Blended wing design. The third proposed aircraft is a big step forward. This uses a blended wing design to increase the fuselage width, providing more options for hydrogen storage and distribution. It would offer a passenger capacity of around 200, but with a whole new cabin concept. No proposals have been released for the interior, but there is an opportunity for innovative cabins and extra features. Or just dense multiple aisle seating. Let's come to the fuel. Airbus will use hydrogen rather than electric power. All 3 Airbus aircraft will be hydrogen powered. We have often discussed the future of aviation fuel, with sustainable fuel, electricity, and hydrogen power as the main focus. Sustainable fuel involves blending sustainable products into standard aviation fuel to reduce overall fossil fuel usage. Several airlines are now working with biofuels. Airbus is involved with this, of course, but these Zero-E aircraft will go further and replace the use of fossil fuels entirely. Electric power has potential in aviation, but there is still a long way to go for large aircraft. Battery technology and weight, in particular, is a major limitation. There are several proposals for smaller aircraft, such as a partnership between Rolls-Royce and Norwegian airline Widerøe to develop electric commuter aircraft, and Honeywell is working on larger hybrid electric concepts. Companies are approaching hybrid approach use hydrogen. For hydrogen-powered aircraft, hydrogen can be used in 2 ways. Number 1, it can be used as a fuel source for fuel cells. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen to produce electricity, with heat and water as the byproducts. This then powers the engine. Number 2, alternatively, hydrogen can be used directly as a fuel source in a modified engine. Airbus is looking at both these methods for aircraft. It will likely take a hybrid approach, where hydrogen is used both directly as a fuel and via an electric fuel cell. Airbus previously released a proposal for a fuel cell powered aircraft with podded engines. It hopes to confirm the selection of propulsion methods for development in 2022. We hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Visit to www.advancedtechworld.in for more interesting facts.